We're now at step 1 of the assembly guide for the WB0210 Play House Cube. Assemble the side panels so that all unfinished edges with screw holes face upwards. This is important so the screw holes in the side panels align with the screw holes in the top panel. Place the top panel on the cube with the label facing down on the underside. The top panel is slightly rectangular and must be properly fastened to all 4 side panels. Align the screw holes, then hand insert and hand turn all the screws only to finger tightness. Then, fully tighten all the screws.